So for these lights, I just have some very, very small ones here that I ordered a long time ago. They're just off Amazon, and they're 3 volts, and I just use a resistor. I don't have a battery for the constant lighting when it deslots, but just direct. But they're really small, as you can see, and they fit in the tight spaces. Sometimes you need that for clearance with the front tires. And there you can see the installation, just running it underneath here, and I used UV glue to secure it after I soldered the wires. For the front, I took the plastic out completely, the headlight buckets that they had here in the NSR. You guys are familiar with that. And I just used the UV glue and glued the little chip lights directly to the lenses. They were just easy to work that way, and route the wires this way to make sure we had clearance with those front tires. And then just some leftover wire here, soldered up, buttons up just fine. All this endurance racing just had me motivated, had to do it. So it has a great effect for me. I enjoy it. I could just sit here for another hour, watch this one go. Thank you, Lee. It is a great car, and it just deserved it. Really appreciate it. So, yeah, not bad. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Don't have the battery, for the constant lighting, but still, great effect. Yeah, working pretty good. You like it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, pretty cool. Yep, just for effect. I like lights. Just adds to it.